In this video, I have to check that particular number is Armstrong number or not. Okay, so before solve this question, I have to explain you that what is Armstrong number. So let's take 153 and this should be equal to sum of its own digits raised to power the number of total digits. Okay, so here I raised to power 3. Why we take 3? Because 3 is the total number of digits. Okay, and after this we apply plus and 5 raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 3. Okay, and this should be equal to 153. This result should be equal to 153, and if this will equal to 153, then this is Armstrong number. Now we apply program. Let's take same example, n is equal to 153. After taking this number, we have to initialize sum is equal to 0 variable because this will store the sum of digits raised to power the total number of digits. Okay, and after this we have to initialize one more variable, temp is equal to n, because the temp will extract each last digit of the given number. Okay, so here we apply while loop, and in the while loop we apply condition that temp should be greater than 0. Okay, and if temp will become 0, then this number of digit will end. Okay, after complete each digit, the temp will become 0 and this loop will stop. Okay, and here we write the logic to check that particular number is Armstrong number or not. Okay, so we have to extract one last digit. Okay, so how we can extract last digit? We can extract last digit through modulus operator. Okay, so modulus will take last digits of the given number. If we apply modulus 10, okay, so it will divide this number and give reminder 3, and 3 will store in the digit variable. Okay, after we take last digit as a 3, we have to apply some variable, and here we apply plus equal to operator, and here we store digit, and we know that Armstrong number is the sum of its own digit raised to power the total number of digits. So here total number of digit is equal to 3, so here we apply raised to power 3, and this will store in the sum. Okay, after store in the sum, we have to reinitialize 10 because we already extract last digit and we have remained 15. Okay, how we can extract 15? After extracting 3, we have to apply math module, and here we take floor method. After taking floor method, we have to divide 10 variable by 10. Okay, and after divide this number by 10, this will give you 15.3, and here we apply math.floor. This will extract 15, okay, which is a floor number. Okay, so now here 15 assigned, and here the condition check that temp is greater than 0 or not. So 15 is greater than 0, so now this condition will continue. After temp is equal to 0, this loop will stop, and in the sum variable, the total sum of its own digits raised to power the total number of digits will store. Okay, and after this we log that n is equal to the given number is equal to sum or not. If it is equal to sum, then this will become Armstrong number, and if this is not, then this will not Armstrong number. Okay, and now we can apply command node script.js, and here we can see the output. This number is Armstrong number. Okay, so we can solve this as 153 is equal to 1 raised to power 3, which will become 1, and plus 5 raised to power 3, 125, and plus 3 raised to power 3 will become 27, and this will give 153. Okay, now we can check another number. Let's take 13, and after run the command, we can see the output not Armstrong number. Okay, so this is not Armstrong number because 1 raised to power 2 gives 1, plus 3 raised to power 2 gives 9, and 9 plus 1 will become 10. Okay, so this is not Armstrong number because 10 is not equal to 13. So this question is solved.